Scioto River near LaRue until Sunday evening. At 4 p.m. the stage was 10.6 feet. Flood stage is 11 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by this evening and rise to near 11.3 feet by late tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by Sunday afternoon. 11 feet. Flooding occurs in agricultural areas near the river. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great